Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use one of our products, DetectR, to make some money. Yes, some money. Right, so let's first talk about DetectR and some of its uses. Well, there's one use that I really want to home in to in this video to not overcomplicate things, but basically what you can use DetectR to do is act as a middleman for traffic coming to your site and show any type of content to your visitor based on their IP or the location. But the main thing that I want you to take away from that is that you can appear to show any content on your site that you wish and then edit it. I'm going to show you this live now so it'll make sense, and I'm going to tell you how you could use that. So I have a domain called thatgaming.news I got just for this demonstration. Okay, as you can see, it's really good. No, it's just a WordPress blog, okay, with no content on. Okay, so this blog, if it looked really good or whatever, could be used obviously for, say, viral content for the gaming industry, etc., etc. So let's go over to this is a trending news site, Tech Radar. Okay, so here is a viral bit of news. Okay, regarding in this case it's the PS5 restock update. Okay, so let's hop over to the detector for a second. And this isn't a technical demonstration on how to use it, but just one of the features that I could do is I could come in here and I could just say, okay, so you see, this is how my blog looks to everyone right now. And then I could come over here and then I could say so many options, but overlay content, and then what's the content I want to overlay. I've just already done this, so it's this URL here, and the type of overlay could be an iframe or div, so I'm just going to use div. Okay, so it's just saving. Now let's go over to my blog now and refresh it. Look at that, huh? Okay, so now my site, to anyone that comes to visit it, will appear to have all this content on it. It's the same site, like everything works. Okay, so in a sense, with overlay, it will appear to any normal visitor that we have all this data on. Okay, and there's so many things that you could do with this. However, just to get your mind going with what you could do with this, is that you could have your domain, okay, like this, show some, it's all about the viral content, okay, in this system that I'm teaching you. So you get some viral content in your niche. So this is what I would do, for example. So I have this, that gaming news site. I would want to find some viral content like this, okay, and then overlay it like I just showed you. But that's just the beginning of what you can do. I could have a pop-up come up here. I can change all the links on here. I could change the images. I can change anything on here. Okay. I already did I say change all the links? Yeah. So everything you see can be changed. So let's just say that I had an affiliate product, or I had I don't know, an ebook that taught people how to always win at PS5 games. You get the idea. I could have a big pop-up come up here and then say, hey, do you want to know how to win it every time with PS5 games, or whatever the case? And then you could either collect their emails, or you could have them click and then forward on to another site. I think you get the idea. So I'm taking the gaming niche here. You could do this with anything, any subject, anything that you can think of. Maybe your client stuff, your own stuff. Maybe you own your own websites and you want to grow your own email list. Maybe you got an affiliate product. Okay. Maybe you want just traffic to a site. All these things can be done. So let me just hop over here to this brilliant diagram. Okay, so basically here's how the system works. Okay, so you get some viral content in your niche. Okay, so for example, like I just showed you, I would use something like this. Okay, because this just come out recently, is an hour ago where I am. Okay, so this is viral content, okay? Then you can overlay it, change the links. Let me get back to my brilliant drawing. So you take the viral content and you put it onto your site using DetectR, okay? So you've got this, you can change the links, have a pop-up come up so you can collect emails, whatever the case. And then what you do is, because this is viral content, okay, then you go and post it. Okay, I'm not telling you to go and mass spam. This, if you do this right, then this will be industry news. Okay, this will be something that people want to read. Okay, it's not junk or anything like that. So then you can go and spread this. So you see, this is what I call you seed the article, you seed your post. So you can mass Facebook post on groups that are relevant to the content. You can use Reddit and then get lots of upvotes. Okay, you can do shout outs. These are just ideas to seed it. Now, shout out is you can pay an influencer or someone in your niche like $10, $15, depending on the size on their audience, and they'll post it on their accounts. Okay, you can mass if you've got mass social networks, or a lot of you guys that are on this channel are botters. Okay, so if you have or are growing big social networks, you can seed it that way. Then you can use pay-per-click ads. You can get the 1 cent click ads. And there's so many other networks, so many ideas. But the idea is to get it out there a little bit, okay? And because it's viral content, it will just explode, okay? That's the whole aim. This is why it's viral, okay? Viral content, you must use something that's really going to spread, because by spreading it, more people are going to see this. And what's on this? Well, it's your pop up. You've changed the links, or you've done something to it, okay? So that's just the outline of what you can do. There's going to be more videos in this series. I just wanted to show one of the powerful features of DetectR. So what, like I said, just to round up, what could you use this for? Just to give you some ideas. Every product or service has an affiliate offer. So you could go to OfferVault is one. You can sign up to some networks there, and you could start doing that. You might have your own product or service, okay? Another thing you could do is, if you wanted to turn this into a business, you could approach clients, okay, and then help them out. Okay, there's so many options. I think you get the idea anyway. So I'll leave it there. Well, the last thing to say is there's a free trial, so you have nothing to use for DetectR. There's a link in the description or on the page, depending on where you're watching this. Okay, so why not just take it out for a free trial? Okay, there's going to be more videos, and also there's a link to our site, Digital Skills, that will teach you how to use this software and other softwares that we have available. Okay, guys, I'll speak to you in the next video. Peace.